Hi there, I'm Agustin.
Hi there.
1 year ago we set up to design Easy Latch, the first easy to handle locking device for children's shoes that will help your child gain independence and make it fun when the time comes to tighten the shoes. Easy Latch was designed to simplify the everyday tightening of your kids' shoes. Forget the everyday double and triple knots so the shoes don't come undone, because Easy Latch will transform your kids' shoes so you don't have to hassle with tightening them ever again. After several months designing, looking for a robust but easy to mount on product, through a variety of prototypes and materials, we are now ready to launch our product with a wide range of colors for the elastic shoelaces and the Easy Latch, so you can have a perfect match for your children's shoes. Just install the U-bracket lock into the holes of the last two rows of the outer side of the shoe. Then slide the latch holder over the U-bracket lock and fix it with a clip. You can undo it anytime by taking the clip out and sliding the latch holder out of its position. Whip in the new rubber laces through the holes of the shoe before sliding the ends through the Easy Latch. Then slide the ends through the Easy Latch to adjust the length of the shoelaces until your child is comfortable with them, and fix it with a clip. You can readjust the length of the shoelaces anytime by taking the clip out. Once you have the right length, just trim off the ends, and your child is ready to go. Our manufacturers and suppliers are locked in, and we are now ready for serial production. By ordering Easy Latch for your family, friends and yourself, we will be able to reach our minimum purchasing order and bring Easy Latch to life. Thank you for watching the video.